Here's a quick video on how to change your auxiliary belt on a Toyota Aygo. So there's your belt, and these belts on these Aygos don't actually have a automatic adjuster. So with these, what you need to do is see that big board down there that adjusts the tension, pushes out the alternator and adjusts the tension on the belt. So what you do is you undo just a little bit this 14mm board at the top. This is like a pivoting board, and then down in here underneath the alternator there's another 14mm board. You undo that one to allow this slider mechanism to open, and then you need to undo this board with a 12mm spanner or socket if you can get it on there, and then you need a bit of slack on it. And then what you do, I personally just took a breaker bar down in there, and then I sort of levered onto it so it pivots down, and now the belt is loose. And then now we can slide the belt off. Obviously take note of how the belt goes on before you take it off, and then you just slide it off like so. Like that. And then putting the new one on is literally the opposite, just like so. So when you're fitting it, fit the crankshaft, then fit the alternator, and then fit the AC compressor, and then this is the last one that you fit on there. I'm pretty sure this is the water pump pulley, and then because it's not ribbed like the alternator and the AC compressor pulley, you can just about slide it on there. Make sure that all of it is seated on each of the pulleys, and then what we'll do now is we'll tighten this up until this is nice and tight. Slide it. So after doing the tightening on that bolt, you then do the 12mm board that's underneath it that locks the sliding mechanism, and then you do this board up to lock the alternator in place, and you start the engine. This isn't squealing or anything, so happy with that.